if you want to reduce brightness to the maximum on iPhone 16e, what you need to do is first of all go to settings, then in the settings choose accessibility, and then over here choose display and text size. If you scroll down, you should be able to find reduce white point, and we can enable that option, and then this slider appears, and we can of course move the slider all the way to the right. But before I actually do that, what you can also do is of course adjust the brightness in the control center, for example, right? So you can drop it all the way down, and as you can see, even now the brightness is really dark or really low. And you can, if you can still see on your screen, then you can additionally adjust the brightness by using the reduce white point option. So this is how we can reduce the brightness to as much as possible, pretty much. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.